Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? What's their secret? In this video, we'll explore 5 simple investment strategies that can help you unlock your financial potential. Strategy number 1, dollar cost averaging. But what does that even mean? Simply put, it's investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. Want to know the best part? It can help you smooth out market volatility and avoid emotional decisions. Strategy number 2, diversification. But why is it so important? Think of it like a puzzle. When you spread your investments across different asset classes, you're creating a more complete picture, and that can help you minimize risk and maximize return. Strategy number 3, long-term investing. But what's the magic number? How long do you need to invest for? The answer is, it depends. But one thing's for sure. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Strategy number 4, low-cost index funds. But what makes them so special? For starters, they offer broad diversification and low fees. That means you can invest in the market as a whole without breaking the bank. Strategy number 5, tax-advantaged accounts. But how do they work? Think of it like a secret sauce. By utilizing tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA, you can optimize your investment returns and reduce your tax liability. And there you have it, 5 simple investment strategies to help you grow your wealth. But here's the thing, knowledge is power, but action is what drives results. So, what will you do with this knowledge? Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about avoiding common financial mistakes, check out our next video on 5 financial mistakes Americans make.